elementary school girl, and I'm an elementary school boy. You know, did your school principal call that Born to Shine guy? No, I don't think so. Well, don't they care? Yeah, I think they do. I think principals are just really overwhelmed too. They have a lot on their plate. Yeah, that makes sense. But I hope they put our mental health first this year. It's important to read and write, but without our mental health intact, we're not going to learn to our optimum level. Yeah, I feel the same way. Yeah, that makes sense, guys. Yeah. Well, what can we do to help encourage our principals to call Michael and bring his guitar and give us some self-esteem skills and empathy and resiliency and kindness? Yeah, that'd make me want to come to school more. Yeah, me too. Well, what can we do? I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. I mean, you guys are doing a great job. What would you like to tell them? Call Michael!
Now's the time that you were born to